So today we will be making cheeseburger. So for this kind of recipe, I'll be making my own version of the burger patties. So without any further ado, let's get cooking. So to start, let's begin with the patties. We will be needing the following: 500 grams of ground beef, 1 cup of finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of liquid seasoning, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of seasoning powder, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of coarsely ground black pepper. So the next step, using a bowl, let's combine all the ingredients and mix it all together. After we incorporate everything, let's start forming the patties using the palm of our hands, portioning it with the size that you want. So for some extra toppings for our burger, we will caramelize mushrooms and onion, and we will also grill some onion rings and tomatoes. So for this one, we will be needing the following. So to caramelize our toppings, we will be using 1 tablespoon of butter, and we will cook it for 5 minutes until it's brown. So next is the grilled onion rings and tomatoes. So for this one, we will just have to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until it has dark bits on each sides. Next is, on a hot pan, add your cooking oil and then sear your patties for 3 minutes on each side. So once you flip your burgers, you can now add your cheese on top of it, and then cook it for another 2 minutes, and then set it aside. So for our burger sauce, we will just mix 1.5 tablespoon of mayonnaise and half teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Massive! So that's our cheeseburger, and I hope you like my videos. Thank you for watching!